let's suppose you're running a major U.S. corporation and you're paying $140,000 to people in New York State, $142,000 to people who live in D.C., 105,000 people who live in Mississippi, 110,000 to people who live in West Virginia who work for your company. Now, who is really getting paid the most? Well, what you need to know is something about the cost of living. And The Economist in August 2016 gave us this information. For example, $100 in Mississippi can buy like $115.34 compared to an average state. But $100 in Washington, D.C., okay, and lots of you listening to this know about this, can only buy about $85 compared to an average U.S. locale. So what you got to do to figure out what these salaries are comparable on is basically like take Washington, D.C. times that 0.84, and then Mississippi times that 1.15, and then you can figure out really what you could buy in, let's say, average U.S. dollars in each of those states. So you need a VLOOKUP here. Okay, so we could name this range. Okay, we could just call that lookup. So if I click there, got that. And then all we've got to do is take what they're getting paid times, this will be a VLOOKUP false. Although I put these alphabetically, it might work if I did VLOOKUP true when things are alphabetical, but I don't like to take that chance. So I'd say that's the state. I could use that F3 trick to paste in lookup. And then the second column, I get sort of what $100 can buy. We'll put the false in just to make sure. And then I should really divide this by 100 because I want to know really per dollar. Okay? And so then I would find out $140,000 in New York is like $121,000 in an average state. And I'd find out it's really about the same. West Virginia would be the best off here. Okay? New York and D.C. and Mississippi would almost be equally well off, even though Mississippi's getting paid about $35,000 less than the people in New York and D.C. Then the West Virginia person would be a little bit better off. But the key here was the use of our VLOOKUP false. Okay? Again, VLOOKUPs are great for transferring information from one part of the spreadsheet or workbook to another part. So I hope you'll use them often.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.